Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are doing good. I am your science teacher of grade 6. Open your books, page number 4. Today our topic is cell structure. What is cell? Cell is the basic unit of life. Our life starts from a single cell. Nearly all cells have the same basic structure. All cells have a round and oval nucleus. Now all cells have a round and oval nucleus. Nucleus is the center part of a cell. Look at this diagram. The center oval or round shape is known as nucleus, which is present in the center part of the cell, surrounded by a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. Now this nucleus is surrounded by jelly substance which is known as cytoplasm. Underline this word cytoplasm, both of which are enclosed within a very thin skin known as cell membrane. Now these two, nucleus and cytoplasm, are enclosed within a thin skinny substance known as cell membrane. All substances going into and coming out of the cell pass through the cell membrane. What is the function of cell membrane? All substance going in and coming out from this cell membrane. The center part, this rounded structure substance, is known as nucleus. This nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substance known as cytoplasm. Now these two are enclosed in cell membrane. Which thing? Cell membrane. This cell membrane, what is the function of cell membrane? It can going in and coming out the substance and pass through the cell. The cytoplasm contains a large number of important substances such as oil droplets, starch, grains, water, salts, and excretory matter. The cytoplasm also contains tiny living structure called organelles, which perform important functions such as respiration, excretion, etc. for the cell. Now this cytoplasm contains large number of substance, different substance, which include oil droplets, starch, water, salt, etc. These substances help or perform function in respiration, excretion for the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are round or elongated organelles which help in the process of respiration. Mitochondria, it's a rounded structure and it can help in the process of respiration. Respiration means in and out of air. Golgi bodies make special secretion. Chloroplast in plant cell trap sunlight energy needed for photosynthesis. Now Golgi bodies also helps in secretion or make special secretion. Chloroplast in plant cell trap sunlight. It can trap sunlight and this sunlight is needed for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants can make their own food. Next page, page number 5. A vacuole. A vacuole is a special filled with fluid in the cytoplasm of a cell. In animals, they act as storage for nutrients and water. In plants, they act as storage as well as provide internal support to maintain the cell structure. Now vacuole, it's filled with fluid in the cytoplasm. Look at this diagram. It's a diagram of plant cell. This part is known as vacuole. It's filled with fluid. It's in cytoplasm. This part is known as cytoplasm. In animals, they act as storage for nutrients, and in plants, they act storage as well as provide internal support. Now in animals they can act like storage, but in plant cell they can also act like storage as well as they provide internal support to maintain the cell structure. The nucleus of a cell contains rod-shaped object called chromosomes. The nucleus controls the whole working of the cell. The chromosomes take place in cell division. Now nucleus contains rod-shaped object which is known as chromosome. The nucleus control whole working of the cell. The chromosome take part in cell division. The chromosome helps in cell division to divide the cell. Again, I summarize this topic through this diagram. It's a structure of cell. The outer layer is known as cell wall. The second layer is known as cell membrane. The jelly substance is known as cytoplasm. The center oval or round shape is known as nucleus. The outer covering of nucleus is known as nuclear membrane. This small oval shape or round shape structure is known as vacuole. This part is known as mitochondria. Inside the nucleus it's filled with thread-like substance known as chromosomes. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Have a nice day.